skin colour corrections. You can blend patchy tones, even out the tan skin. Red, purple skin fix, orange skin, yellow skin, green, grey, warm up, cooling and tonal balance. So this really depends on your subject and your image. Even out tan skin is a super cool one. So if you find your clients come in and they've done some tanning, and then you have certain areas, often on the wrists, the back of the hands, elbows, around the face and neckline, where you have these kind of patchy tan looks, you have remove tan patches and paint on extra tan. So I'm just going to click around here, these areas, just to remove some of these tanning patches. Anywhere where it looks a little bit patchy, I'm just going to click around there, just to balance out the skin. You see how I'm just doing kind of one click, gentle, gentle. See there? We've removed some patchy areas. And you can take the opacity down if you wanted to. And then paint on extra tan. If you've got any areas that your client has missed, they're looking a little bit pale and washed out, you can just dab the tan on. If your client wanted to be tanned and they've turned up and they're not quite so tanned, or you want to get that tan finish again, you can just dab this around any areas that you want to. See that? We've balanced out skin tones really nicely using even out the tan.